Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this amazing episode, we're going to discuss the best exercise bikes, smart indoor bikes for home workouts. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. So keep up with me to the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notification for more videos. Wattbike Atom Next Generation. Wattbike is one of the leaders in exercise bikes, supplying federations and gyms and the original smart bike system. That consumer model, the Atom, has recently been updated with an improved, faster electromagnetic resistance, which Wattbike says allows for an extra 500 watts at the top end, 2,500 watts compared to 2,000 watts, and more accuracy. In our previous review of the Atom, we commented that the pedaling fluidity was second to none. We also found it to be incredibly quiet too, so a good option if you don't have a dedicated outbuilding to train in or live in a flat and don't want to annoy the neighbors. Connectivity comes via ANT Plus or Bluetooth, and you can use set workouts via the Wattbike Hub, its own training and analysis platform, or you can hook it up to an indoor training app. There's a limited adjustability when compared to other smart bikes, but it does have road bike style geometry, including a 160mm Q factor. As shipped, you'll find flat pedals with toe clips. Clipless pedals are an easy swap. All in, it weighs 97 pounds or 44 kilograms, making it one of the lightest smart bikes on the market. Wahoo Kicker Bike. This is as close as you'll get to merging the line between virtual riding and reality. The Wahoo Kicker Bike has an amazing set of strings to its bow. Features such as integrated grade changes, customizable gearing, and simulated shifting put it in the running as one of the best exercise bikes. While riding, you can adjust the gradient all the way up to 20%, or if you want to feel like you're descending, negative 15% too. This is to make the Kicker Bike feel as realistic as possible. You can also hit the bike with your exact specifications with help from the very detailed and informative Wahoo Fitness app. The Kicker Bike is compared with any of the big brands, Shimano, SRAM, and Camp Agnello. The virtual shifting technology recognizes every detail to make sure that the smart shifting of the bike works with what you want, allowing you to even add your own handlebars, saddle, and pedals. There isn't a screen dedicated online trainer, but even that gives you the freedom to dictate your own virtual training package. The only real downside is the considered purchase price and the fact that you need to configure some kind of screen stand. Concept 2 Bikeerg. The Concept 2 brand is best known for its indoor rowers, with its World Rowing Indoor Championships, a well-known event that even Sir Bradley Wiggins has competed in. The Concept 2 Bikeerg is the brand's first bash at the indoor cycling market, and although early days, reports are very favorable. Bikeerg uses the same flywheel and performance monitor as Concept 2 indoor rowers and Skierg, which the brand says gives its bike the same strengths and features as the rowing and cross-country skiing machines do. The flywheel uses air resistance to create a smooth and apparently quiet ride that responds to your efforts. Damper is your gearing, allowing you to adjust to the feel of your ride as you would on rower. Unlike some stationary bikes, the Bikeerg also has a clutch, so just like a real bike, when you stop pedaling, the flywheel keeps on spinning. Concept 2 says that the performance monitoring data is consistently repeatable and comparable data. The battery-powered unit offers automatic just ride mode, or allows you to set up a variety of workouts and provides a wide range of data including pace, watts, cadence, RPM, and calories, automatically storing the information. The simplicity of this setup allows it to be exceptionally lightweight at a claimed 31 kilograms, but exceptionally sturdy, taking heaviest rider weights than most options. In addition to all this, the Concept 2 Bikeerg is also compatible with third-party apps, meaning you can ride Zwift and other virtual reality cycling software for a fraction of the price of the other smart bikes, although we're a little unclear at the time of writing how the auto resistance aspect works, and it's worth noting that there's no resistance damper on the handlebars. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen now because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.